In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a delivery profile on the Etsy seller app using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. A delivery profile lets you define your processing time, shipping services, and delivery estimates, so you can apply the same setup to multiple listings quickly. Now, if you want to create a delivery profile on the Etsy seller app, here's what to do. Start by opening the Etsy seller app on your phone and logging into your account using your email and password. Next, open your shop manager from the app dashboard. After that, go to Settings or Shop Settings, then tap on Shipping Settings. Now, select Shipping Profiles and tap on Create New Profile. Enter your processing time based on how long it takes to prepare orders. Then, add your shipping services, delivery estimates, and pricing details. Once everything is set, tap Save to create your profile. Finally, apply this delivery profile to your listings so customers can see accurate delivery information at checkout. That's it. Creating a delivery profile on the Etsy seller app helps you stay organized, save time, and keep your shipping consistent across your shop.